Hello, I'm in a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first you open your hood, and then with the vehicle off, you'll find your dipstick here, which you'll pull out. And then I typically wipe this clean with a rag or a paper towel, and then you'll stick it back in here all the way, and then pull it right back out. And then at that point, you can see these couple dots. There's the full line is the one on the left. So if it's closer to that L or below, you'll definitely want to look at adding some oil. So stick this all the way back in, and we'll say it was low, at which point this is the cap you'll unscrew that we'll add our oil to. And make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic and conventional and brand of oil you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But you'll unscrew this, and then take your funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well. But when you're done with that, screw this back on nice and tight. And at that point, I turn the motor on for like 10-20 seconds to circulate the oil. And then at that point, have it turned off, and then redo the same process we started with this dipstick of pulling it out, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and then pulling it out and checking where we're at. And that said, don't do any of this in lieu of your regular oil changes, which typically you'd put the vehicle on the lift, go underneath, pull the oil plug, drain out all the old oil, change any filters as needed, screw it all back in nice and tight. And then at that point, you'd come in and add all the recommended oil for your particular motor here, screw it on, and then at that point, you'd be able to start the car and drive around. And usually, depending on the type of oil and motor, it's between 3,000 and 8,000 miles, depending. That's typically how long you go between oil changes. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.